This is just that perfect time of the year when every other plant blossoms because it's a rainy season, and they really appreciate the gift of rains. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. I'm just but mesmerized by the gift of the nature. It is so very wonderful to always watch this beautiful nature that we have been gifted by our God, to just enjoy in it. Every other thing is really appreciative of this gift of the rains. The gift of the rain comes with a lot of gifts for most of these living things in this nature. As I prepare to get my hands dirty, to prepare to get more and more produce in the future, I just couldn't help but watch this beauty of the nature. Nature is a very beautiful therapy for our minds. When I was just preparing to go and dig and plant some seeds, I just was so overwhelmed by the goodness of God and the beautiful things that He has given unto us. This banana was very small just the other day, and now it's ready for harvesting. How beautiful is that? And it's so gigantic, as you can all see. This is what we call the beauty of farming, especially when you are enjoying the harvests. The clouds are so pregnant, heavy with the rains. And I must say, I must take all the advantage of this rain by planting so many things in my small garden. So today I decided I will plant coriander in my small garden. That is why I prepared this one earlier. As you can see, this is very soft, and I'm gonna plant my coriander here. This is the time of the season when we plant so many things, because we are not straining to sprinkle water on the vegetables. I want to remove all the stones. And this place is very fertile because I had put a lot of manure in this soil, and I don't have to add more. This is a very good place to plant these kind of seeds because the soil is very, very soft right now, and I'm gonna enjoy when they germinate and they give me a lot of corianders. I just have to dig very shallow furrows, or are they terraces, like that. I'm also going to plant onions, even if not today, maybe another day. Today I'm just going to do a bit of, yeah, like that. These are coriander seeds. This is how they look, and I'm just going to put them in the furrows here, or in my little small terraces here. And after some days they are going to germinate, hopefully. And then after I put the seeds, I'm going to cover with a little soil, and I leave them to germinate after some days. Yeah, like a week. That is when they are going to germinate. I have subdivided this garden into small portions where I plant different types of vegetables. Yeah, and I have done that using stones like this one, so as the soil doesn't get carried by the water, away by the water. Yeah. And I'm done. I really love doing organic farming because it is very, very rewarding. After a few days, I'll come back and show you the results, because they are definitely going to germinate. Yeah, and I'm through. I'm done. So on this portion here, I'm going to arrange a few stones here on this portion here. Sorry. on this portion here, I'm going to arrange the stones here so as I can dig this small piece of garden and I plant other things there. So I have my mattock here and my jembe to dig so as I can arrange the stones here. Use the jembe instead. I want to arrange some stones here so as the soil doesn't run off from the garden. That is too small. I should get a bigger one. That need to be careful so as I don't hurt myself with this gem. So many millipedes. Just like that, and the other side, and then I dig and I plant whatever things that I want to plant. On this portion I will plant kales or sukuma wikis. These ones I don't throw them away because they really make good manure on my garden, and then they do a lot of mulching when it is very hot. That is why I didn't throw them away when it was very, very hot. They were giving my plants, like the purple tree here, some mulching. Basically, this is what we call raised gardens. You raise them a bit by putting some stones on the sides, both sides. Yeah. So tomorrow, that is when